Hi everyone, I am Anita from Odisha, Jhio Anita's Lifestyle. Today I am going to make for you guys cucumber egg tomato avocado salad recipe. This is a very easy and delicious salad recipe. Then let's go ahead and we'll prepare the recipe now. Here I have taken one ripe avocado and cut the avocado into half. Twist the avocado and make them into half, and by using the knife remove the pit. Then take a spoon and scoop out the avocado flesh out of the skin. Then cut the ripe avocado into diced. Take 2 tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Now take a mixing bowl, add half lettuce which I have chopped. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes. Then add half sliced onion. Then add 1 cucumber which I have peeled up and chopped. Then add 1 ripe chopped avocado. Then add 1/4 grated carrot. Then add 2 boiled eggs, spit out yolk which I have cut into small pieces. Then add some chopped cilantro. Then add half tablespoon of Amchur powder. Add half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add half tablespoon of black salt. Then sprinkle some Chat Masala powder. Then mix everything very well and toast gently to combine. This is a perfect salad recipe for dinner along with some simply grilled veggies or chicken. So yeah, cucumber egg tomato avocado salad is ready now.
If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share my channel, and please don't forget to comment below in the box. So meet you soon guys, another new recipe. Till then, thank you. Bye.